In the past, the mountain of shingles you see behind you would have ended up in the landfill. However, here at APAC, we recycle them and use them in the production of asphalt pavement. Watch this video and we'll take you from the roof to the road. The first step in the process is obtaining the shingles. In this particular case, these are tear-off shingles, most likely from storm damage or hail damage, and they're brought to the APAC shingle recycling facility by the roofing contractor. Once at the receiving facility, the contractor's vehicle will be unloaded and the shingles will be stacked up for later loading into a dump truck, where it can be taken to a facility to be ground down to a product that can go into the asphalt plant. The dump truck unloads the shingles on a stable surface near the asphalt plant, where they will await processing. The shingles are then loaded into a shingle grinder, very similar to a wood chip grinder, by an excavator in this case, until they are ground down to a very fine product very similar to coffee grounds. Our experience has taught us that it's very important to keep those ground shingles dry. They feed through the plant better and make a much better end product. So in this case, our facility has a storage building, similar to what you might see over a salt pile. When it's time to make asphalt, a front-end loader will take those ground shingles and feed them into the recycle bin of the asphalt plant. Here it will be screened and processed. It will even run over a very strong magnet to remove those roofing nails. This material is also combined with recycled asphalt pavement. This is pavement that was once out on the road and now has been ground up and is being recycled as well. At APAC, quality is very important, so adequate pre-processing of these recycled materials is essential to ensure final product quality. The combination of recycled shingles and recycled asphalt usually make up about 20% of the total mix. Shingles are made up of asphalt, and when you heat shingles, the solid asphalt melts and becomes liquid asphalt, or what we call asphalt cement. This is the black material that coats the rock and essentially becomes the glue that holds the road together. Once the asphalt is mixed, it's ready to be loaded into a dump truck and delivered out to the road. The dump truck unloads the asphalt into an asphalt paving machine, which is operated by a paving operator and leveled off and ensured for the correct depth by what is called a screed operator. The width and depth of the asphalt is controlled by the screed, which you see operating here. Once the asphalt is placed by the paving machine, it is then rolled, first with a breakdown roller to ensure compaction, and then a finish roller, a little bit smaller, to ensure a nice, smooth driving surface. This new pavement will serve the community well for many years. In fact, it will keep serving the community even when it's time to be replaced. Asphalt pavement is not only America's most recycled and reused material, it is now being recycled and reused at a rate of over 99%. Someday this new pavement will be reused on another street as recycled asphalt, and those shingles that came from that roof will provide a source of asphalt cement all over again. It's hard to believe that that large pile of shingles that you saw at the beginning of the video, most likely bound for the landfill, is now part of a usable pavement that benefits the entire community, reduces cost to that community, and uses less resources. Please join me in reducing, reusing, and recycling.